Hello all. Today I am going to tell you to find the factors of the given algebraic expression. So we have this algebraic expression a square minus 10ab plus 25b square minus 36. Okay. So we have to find the factors of this expression. So here it is a square minus 10ab plus 25b square minus 36. So this can be written as a square minus 2 into a into 5b plus 25b square can be written as 5b the whole square minus, and 36 can be written as the square of 6. Okay. Now you can see that a square minus 2a into 5b plus 5b whole square, this can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is the identity a minus b whole square, isn't it? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you can compare a square minus 2a into, and this b is here 5b plus 5b square, here it is 5b's whole square. Okay, so now here our a is a and b is your 5b. So it can be written as a minus b whole square, that is a minus 5b the whole square minus 6 whole square. Now here again we can apply the identity a square minus b square, that gives a plus b, a minus b. Okay, here our a is a minus 5b, whereas our b is 6. Okay, so the expansion of a minus b whole square minus 6 whole square is equal to a. Here a in place of a we will write a minus 5b plus, and in place of b we will write 6. In the same way here a minus b, that is a here is your a minus 5b minus, and b is your 6. Okay, so these are the factors of the given algebraic expression a square minus 10ab plus 25b square minus 36. Hope you understood.